We now have one flat edge on each of our boards. We're going to go to the table saw now and rip these down to the correct width. Start by laying the boards down on the table so that the side that you jointed, that's the side without the X, is facing the fence. You want the jointed edge on the fence side. Look at your drawing and find the width of the first board you want to cut. We're not going to make any marks on the board. Instead, we'll use the scale on the table saw to set the width we want. For this board, we'll set 1 1/2 inches. Set the height of the blade so it's about 1/4 inch above the wood. Use a push stick to push the wood all the way through the blade. Be sure to keep the board tight up against the fence. Remember to keep your left hand fingers out of the way. You want to keep those on your hand. If you're making 2 cuts of the same width, it's okay to leave the saw on. Just remember to reach around the blade and not over it. Again, keep those fingers on your hand. We'll repeat this process for the next board. We need some 1/2 inch pieces of walnut, so we'll set the fence to 1/2 inch. With the red handle locked down, we're ready for our next cuts. Remember, the jointed edge goes along the fence. That's the edge that does not have the X on it. Watch those scrap pieces. Do not be tempted to reach in with your hands and grab those. It's okay to carefully sweep it away with the push stick, but keep far away from the blade. One more cut at 3 1/2 inches and we're out of here. Notice I'm not using a tape measure or pencil. I'm using the fence on the table saw to make my measurements. Remember, when you finish your cut, after you turn the power off, the saw stop stays active. Do not reach into the blade until after the blade comes to a complete stop and the green light is solid on. There we go. We have all of our pieces cut. We can arrange them on our cutting board drawing to make sure everything fits, and we're ready to go glue them. Take all of your pieces and all of your scraps, and let's go to the next step.